Number 15. The 1959 Dyatlov Pass Incident photographs. The Dyatlov Pass incident is one of the most baffling events in modern history. In 1959, 9 experienced Russian hikers perished under extremely mysterious and chilling circumstances in the Ural Mountains. Photographs recovered from the hikers' cameras add layers of enigma to the incident. One of the images shows a blurry figure near the tree line, often dubbed as the Yeti photo. Another unsettling picture, taken on the last night of the expedition, captures a mysterious light or orb against the dark sky. While the incident itself remains largely unexplained, the eerie photographs add a haunting visual narrative to the tale, sparking theories involving secret military experiments, indigenous peoples' attack, or supernatural entities. Number 16. The astonishing Patterson-Gimlin Bigfoot film. Arguably the most famous and debated piece of cryptid evidence is the Patterson-Gimlin film, a short motion picture that purportedly shows Bigfoot in the flesh. Captured in 1967 in Northern California by Roger Patterson and Bob Gimlin,